Hello, and welcome to Back to Nature art exhibit, showing at the Portsmouth Arts Guild Gallery located at 2679 East Main Road. This show will go from September 29th through January 9th. And our first exhibitor is Michael Benish. Title is Angels of Blue Ridge. It's oil and it's $375. Michael Benish, Home of Solitude, oil, $375. Michael Benish, Northwest Splendor, oil, $375. And this is by Brenda Wrigley Scott. It's entitled Sprouts. It's acrylic and it's $1,400. Wendy Barabee, American Kestrel. It's watercolor, it's $300. This is by Gwen Fuller. It's entitled Mohegan Pines. It's a watercolor and it's $350. Gwen Fuller, Nature Sculpture, watercolor, $350. Gwen Fuller, Winter Surf, watercolor, $400. This is by Carolyn Callia, Elegy of a White Orchid. It's a digital image and it's $225. Sheila Clark Lundy, Winter Sea, acrylic, $500. And this is Sheila Clark Lundy, entitled Winter Storm, and it's acrylic, $350. On the Rock, Sheila Clark Lundy, acrylic, $125. This is by James Wolstenholme. The title is Leaves Are Changing, acrylic, $250. James Wolstenholme, Butterfly Wings, acrylic, $150. James Wolstenholme, Sand and Surf, acrylic, $100. And this is by Gloria Dahl. The title is Sweetberry Farm. It's an oil and it's $200. Gloria Dahl, A Sunset Bouquet, oil, $150. Gloria Dahl, Moonlit Rocks, oil, $150. William Bowers. The title is The Dock, acrylic, $250. William Bowers. Title is Spider Lilies, acrylic, $250. Sudasalt Edens, Bouquet, oil, $150. Sudasalt Edens, Burst of Spring, oil, $200. And this is by Christopher Smeraldi. The title is Moongate, Kinney Azalea Gardens, oil, $350. This is by Christopher Smeraldi. Its title is Pilgrim Lake and the Bay from High Head, oil, $350. Christopher Smeraldi, Fox Hill Salt Marsh, oil, $350. And this is by Donna Magnella, Dunes in the Afternoon, multimedia, and it's $350. Donna Magnella, Quiet Morning, multimedia, $350. Donna Magnella, the title is Early Morning at Beavertail, multimedia, $275. This is by Celeste Shoot Right. It's a wave study, oil, $150. Jacqueline Johnson. The title is Deer, acrylic, $175. Jacqueline Johnson. Title is Lion, acrylic, $175. Jacqueline Johnson. Title is Leopard, acrylic, $175. This is by Catherine Terrell. Its title is Water Lilies. It's oil. It's $500. Penny Carrier, Plein Air at Fort Wetherill, Study 1, watercolor, $350. Penny Carrier, Plein Air at Fort Wetherill, Study 2, watercolor, $400. Sarah Osting, title is Sunset. It's fiber art. It's $40. Sarah Osting, Forest, fiber art, $50. Ronald Butler. Title is Anne's Garden. It's photography and it's $400. Ronald Butler. Along the Ring Road, Iceland. Photography, $450. Ronald Butler. Epiphany Invasion. Photography, $2,500. Wendy Davis. Wolf and Raven. acrylic, $95. This is by Carolyn Lynn Hall. It's called A Cool Dip, oil, $600. Carolyn Lynn Hall, Lily Pond, oil, $450. This is by Amidio Rebello. Title is Apple Blossoms. It's oil and it's $250. Amidio Rebello. Title is Wildflowers. Oil, $250. This is by Mandy Howe. Yolis Elk Antler. Acrylic, $450. And this is by Mandy Howe. Bear's Ears for Cal. Acrylic, $700. This is by Aubrey Weber. Burgeoning Growth Sculpture, $250. Aubrey Weber. Microcosm 2 Sculpture, $150. Jane Lavender. Title is Birches. Acrylic, $300. Jane Lavender. Brilliant Sunset. Acrylic, $175. Jan Burling, Birches, oil, $125. Jan Burling, title is The Dunes, oil, $125. This is by Jan Burling as well. The title is The Connecticut River. It's oil, it's $125. And this is by Libby Gilpatrick. Title is Out of the Blue. It's a watercolor and it's $440. This is by Beth Lineberry. Title is Mills Marsh, acrylic, $200. Leslie Morrissey, Sunflower Burst, watercolor, $195. Snow Buddies, Leslie Morrissey, watercolor, $195. This is by Leslie Morrissey. Title is Let It Snow, watercolor, $195. This is by Gary Graham. Calla Lilies in the Cotswolds. Watercolor, $250. Gary Graham. Papa Squash Rocks. Watercolor, $250. Gary Graham. Snow Scene. Watercolor, $300. This is Susie Graham. It's called Green Animals Barns, and it's an oil and $175. Azulejos by Lori Raposa. Multimedia, $150. This is also by Lori Raposa. Its title is Hydrangeas, acrylic, $250. Lori Raposa, Set Cidades Azores, acrylic, $250. This is by David Lecomte, Autumnal Equinox, acrylic, $150. David Lecomte, Morning Moon, acrylic, $100. David Lecomte, Dark Waters, acrylic, $150. And our last image is by Jim Monroe, Morning Sky, Westport, Mass, oil, $9,500. If you should have any questions, please contact us at artistwelcome@portsmoutharts.org.